welcome to math. Oh boy, I don't have my fancy Apple pen, so I'm stuck using my little trackpad on my MacBook, so this is going to be a little bit of a mess, but please hang in there with me. So in math, we've been doing a lot of work with place value, so that means our hundreds, our tens, yikes, and our ones. We've been doing lots of work with that lately. So our hundreds goes under H, our tens go under T, and the last one is for ones. So in the hundreds place, we've been doing a lot with place value discs as well, as you guys know. So for example, if I write 100 here, 2 tens, and 3 ones, I know that I have 123 because I can add them all up and get my total of 123. Now, I just have to figure out how to erase all of this because I usually am not using it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll just create a new whiteboard. There, problem solved. Then we were also talking about using our symbols. Our little alligator, he always eats the bigger number. We know that. So we have greater than, less than, and equal to. I'll show you some examples. So if I have 23 and 43, my alligator is hungry, so he's going to eat the bigger number, meaning he will face this way. And I know you guys like to draw little teeth on him sometimes to remind you. Here you go, chomp chomp, towards the bigger number. And then I can write, how about 35? I don't know what the deal is with this trackpad, but it's okay. We'll do what we gotta do. And 12. My alligator, of course, faces this way. Ugh, I'm sorry. Because he's hungry, he wants to eat the bigger number. Then, this is where it gets a little tricky. I don't know, it can either be really hard or it seems like most of you got it when we were practicing on Tuesday. So if I have 12 and 12, they're the same number, so they will equal each other. So we have our symbols, that's what they mean. Then we try to kick it up a notch a little bit to make it a little bit more difficult. So we were writing equations like 200 plus 20 and 200, I don't know how people use these things, 200 plus 200. And then we were trying to figure out what symbol went in between the two. So first, this is kind of a two-step problem. So first, we have to solve. Okay, that's supposed to be an S. Solve. Then write. Oh my goodness. Okay. And equal to. Okay. So first we solve. Oh, and the great thing about this being a video is you can always pause it if you want to solve this problem before I show you the answer. So you don't go, Miss Accéus, you didn't give us enough time. You can just pause it and then continue. So if I add these numbers together, I get 220 on this side and 400 on this side. So what symbol would go in between them? My alligator wants to eat the bigger number, so he's going to face this way. It's one of those two-step problems. Let me try another one. Ducky's digging for something behind my desk. Please excuse the noise. All right, what if I have a 400 plus 10 and 390 plus 20? We are looking for the symbol that goes in between them. So take a minute to solve these and then write your answer. Or you can wait for this to be done and I will tell you the answer. Okay, so if I add all these numbers up, I start in the ones place as always. 0, 9 plus 2 is 11. Bring my other one up here, 410. So these numbers are the same, so I put an equal sign in the middle. Okay, well, that's about all for my brief little lesson review today. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer them.